Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel. Welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video, we are going to see that how we can add employee in the database. Okay, which is create operation, right? So here in this view file, we'll just add one more function, which is going to be def emp underscore create. Okay, and as a request, and I'll say pass. Okay, just keep like this. Now here I'll go to main folder and I create one more file which is going to be forms.py. I'll say forms.py. Now here I will import forms. So I'll say from Django Django import forms. Okay. Now here once this is done, we will also import models. So I'll say from dot models import employee underscore data. Right. Now here I'll create class employee form. Okay. Now this form we are going to use for updating the user and creating the user. Okay, so I'll just say forms dot model form. Okay, now I'll say class meta. And here I'll say model equals to employee data and fields equals to, we'll go to models.py again. We'll just copy this first name, bring that with this last name, paste that, copy this role, paste that, copy this ID and paste that. Okay, because this created at and updated at is going to take the value by itself. Okay, we don't need to do anything. Yeah, once this is done, we have created the forms. Now let's go to view. Now here I'll remove this box and I will also bring that form over here. So I'll say form dot forms, sorry, import and import. That's it. Now once this is done, we will say if request dot method is double equals to post, then I'll say form equals to employee form, and we also request dot post. Done. Then here I'll check for the valid data. So if form dot is valid, then we will just say form dot save, and here I'll say return redirect. Okay, we haven't imported that redirect, right? So here I'll just remove this HTTP response and I'll say redirect, and here I can say redirect, and here you can either redirect that particular employee to employee detail page by doing this. So here I can say emp detail. So here copy the name which you have got over here, and I will also say pk equals to form dot instance dot pk. Okay, so by this line you will get the primary key of that created employee. Okay, now you also need to add comma over here, otherwise it is not going to work. Now once this is done, we can add else, and then I can say form equals to employee form right? And I will also return. And yeah, you can have one more thing, like just return that user to home. That's it. Nothing else. Nothing new. Yeah. I'm going to return that user to home. Yeah. So here I can say render request comma main slash create underscore employee, and we will pass this form. So I'll say form. That's it. Okay, now we need to create this create employee page. So let's go here, YAML. Now also go to this detail page, select all this, come to this employee, sorry, create employee. Then here I'll just remove all this thing. Now in this title, I'll pass create employee. Okay. Now here I need to say div dot container, and here I can say div class equals to empty5. Here I can say form, which will be post method, and inside this I'll also add CSRF token and form and submit button. And submit data. That's it. Now let's go to home page. Now here we need to convert this to anchor tag. So I'll just say A, here I'll say href, and here I can say URL. Now I need to add URL for that particular view also, so I'll just duplicate that line. Now we don't need this PK while creating the user, okay? I mean the HTML, the employee. So I'll say emp underscore create, emp create, copy this, paste that over here, that's it. Now once this is done, let's go to the home.html. Here I'll say emp underscore create. That's it. Now if I come to this website, refresh, if I the server is not started yet. Clear, refresh. If I click over here, okay, what is it? Okay. Let me go to the view, employee create.html, refresh. Now also one more thing, go to this employee create.html, and here you need to write .s underscore t, refresh. Now here I will say dharmic, well, the employee role, this is an integer, okay, so we need to change this, okay, and this is in character, yeah, okay. If I say submit, it should create new data, okay, but in next video we will fix this when we will see update user video, okay. So I hope you got idea about how we can add new entry in the database, okay. So this is known as create method. Okay, so yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And in next video, we are going to see update method. Okay, so see you there.